What's going on, guys? This is David here. That's right, this video is the one you guys have been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best free tweaks to install right now on iOS 12 through iOS 12.1.2. Before we get into the video, however, I did just want to talk quickly about the theme that I have on my device. I have a feeling a lot of people are going to be asking about that in the comments. It's a theme called Splendore. I've been using this theme now for a couple of years, and it looks good. It's definitely on my list of things to install. If you're curious where to get it, you can pick it up on the Packix repo, as well as the theme tool that I used is Snowboard, and you can find that on the Cherise repo as well, and both of those repos on the Uncovered Jailbreak are default. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get into the tweaks. Starting off the list, at number 5, we have LockConversation. Alright, so this is kind of a cool tweak, actually, and I don't know if I remember this being a tweak for any of the other iOS versions. This tweak basically lets you lock a message conversation. So the implementation here is just done super well, and all you have to do from the conversations list is just swipe to the right on whatever conversation you want to lock, and then from then on, it's locked. If you want to open the conversations list, you'll be prompted with a message to basically just use Touch ID or Face ID. The implementation of this tweak looks like you should be able to select multiple conversations from the list and just lock them, but from what I tested, it doesn't seem to work. At number 4, we have DarkKeys 12. So this idea is nothing new. People like to have the dark keyboard on their devices. Some people like to have pink keyboards or blue keyboards or whatever, but honestly, I've always just preferred the dark keyboard. I think it looks really nice, and obviously, it's something that Apple should take cues from. We should have a built-in dark mode on iOS already. It's kind of ridiculous that we've gone through 12 different iOS versions without dark mode yet. Hopefully this year, with iOS 13, we'll finally get a built-in dark mode. One can hope, right? SimpleLS iOS might just be one of my favorite tweaks right now. If you guys have seen some of my other top tweaks videos, this has been in them before, but I do love this tweak, and this and Cylinder are like the first 2 tweaks I install right out of the gate as soon as I get a new jailbreak. But it's simple, it looks nice, it's free. I mean, we have a weather widget to the right so you can see the current temperature and, you know, the date and the time. I just think it looks really nice. In the regular notification center on iOS 12, not all notifications are the same. You guys can see the time on the bottom notification and the time on the top notification. Well, at number 2, Exact Time aims to fix that. So with this tweak installed, if I just swipe down and pull up my notification center, you guys can see both the top notification and the bottom notification have exact times to them, instead of like how it is on regular iOS when it says 45 or however minutes ago. So yeah, I kind of like this implementation better, and it's just convenient this way. Before we get into our number 1 tweak, I had to throw this in. Cylinder is just one of those must-have, must-install right-away tweaks that I couldn't not put on this list. I mean, every single time I jailbreak, I'm installing Cylinder. Before this tweak, we had Barrel, and Barrel was one of those essential jailbreak tweaks that you always installed, and Cylinder honestly hasn't changed for me in that way. This is a really cool tweak, and although it's not the first of its kind because Barrel came before this, it is still really cool. It's free, and there's a couple of added things that you can do that you couldn't do on Barrel, such as combining multiple effects to add a cooler effect. So is there anything more I can say about this tweak? It's awesome. If you haven't tried it before, it's free. Try it out, you'll love it. Topping off the list, at number 1, we have Pencil Charging Indicator. So as the name suggests, this gives you an Apple Pencil-esque view when you're plugging in your phone to charge it, but that's not all it does. It also does the same for notifications. I just think it's an interesting concept to have the charging view, and not only that, but there's the notifications view too. There's different looks to this as well. There's a light theme, there's a dark theme, and in the settings you can just specify which one you want. I think the dark one looks pretty cool. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, let me know by hitting that like button down below. Also, go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on to never miss out on a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, this is David signing out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.